everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm unboxing my Happy Planner order that I placed for the fall release. I have some items in here, some sticker books, some planners that I'm going to be unboxing in this video and just show you what I ended up picking up. If you watched my wish list video, then you might have seen what I was planning on picking up. I did have like one little change from what I actually got. But for the most part, if you watch the wish list, that's basically what I got in this package. So I'm just going to unbox this and show you all the things and flip through all the things in here. All right, so we have a sticker book, and I'm going to flip through all of these, but I'll just show them. Oh yeah, this was a Christmas book that I just didn't even realize they had a Christmas book, but this one looks so cute. This gorgeous planner, which you can kind of see through the bubble wrap, but it's one of those, I don't know what are they calling these? Premium. They're calling it a premium cover. It's gorgeous, so I'll unbox that. Oh yeah, and then here is my custom planner that I picked up. All right, so I got, you know what I just realized? I actually forgot to order one thing. Now that I'm looking back. I don't know how that happened, how I missed it from my wish list, but apparently I did. But it was these grocery lists. Now I'm kind of annoyed with myself that I did that. I didn't even realize it. But I was gonna order another another custom planner, but I didn't realize until I was checking out during the sale that this isn't included in the promotion, so you didn't get a discount on it because there was a buy more save more at the time. I don't think that's available now, but there was at the time, and since it's full price, I decided just to get one. But I might end up picking up that other planner that I was thinking of getting, but we'll go over that in a bit. I actually want to do the planners first, and then I'll go over the sticker books. So let me unwrap this planner. Nice and protected in here. So I basically bought this planner just for the cover because it's gorgeous. And this will be, I feel it gives me summer vibes. So it'll probably be a summer cover that I can use next year. But look how pretty it is. I want to bring the camera up a little bit, or the table up a little bit more so you can see it a little bit better. I love the detail, like the stitching details. These are pockets that you can put things in. There's two pockets here. There's one here. I actually like the quality of this one compared to the one that I currently have, that I'm currently using. So this is my current summer planner right now, the cover, and I just feel like this, I don't know, it just feels nicer. I like the stitching on it. I still love this one too. It's got like the pocket thing as well, but this one I feel just feels a little bit nicer, so I like that. It's so cute. Perfect like summer cover. Or if you like this vibe throughout your whole year of your planner seasons, then go for it. But I'm gonna switch out my planner for Halloween and all the holidays and stuff, so this is gonna be sitting tight until next year to use. But I wanted to just flip through this and show you what I got. Again, I just got this planner because I like the cover, but I do plan on using the insides of this planner. I think this was, actually don't remember what this planner was. Okay, so it's got the regular sheets here, the very neutral sheets here, the dividers, a little bit of color on the dividers, neutral or monthly. Oh, it's horizontal. Okay, good. I do plan on using these pages, not for myself. I don't plan on using this planner in my system, but I do plan on using it for content. So at least I have some horizontal pages that are dated for next year. So that's the horizontal, and then I'll go through the dividers. Do what brings you joy. Happy plans in the making. So it's kind of like a little bit of color, simple designs in this planner, but I really, really like it a lot. That cover's so pretty. Wonderful days are ahead in October, November, and then December. Live boldly. And then the back cover, and then it's just plain on the back. It's like a nice peachy color. I like. Okay, so yeah, got this planner just for the cover. Love it. Happy I did that. And then let's go over my custom planner. I basically got this because of a cover too. I have a problem with the premium covers. I just love them so much. They're so good. So yeah, I got this one here. But look how pretty this cover, oh, you can't even tell yet. All right, so if you're not sure, if you've never seen the custom planner, a custom planner, it comes in a box kit. You get to pick the cover, the discs, you get to pick the layout, you can pick extension packs, and it'll all come packaged in a box like this, and then you have to put the planner together. Like this planner is already put together, but you get to put the planner together, but you get all the components in this box that you pick. So we'll go over all the pieces that I picked for this planner. So this is why I bought the planner, because I really wanted this cover. I like that it just says plans, and I don't have a like neutral toned one like this. Oh, it says notes and plans, but look how pretty it is. Okay, and it's one of those deluxe covers, and then it comes with coordinating dividers, so I'll go over that in a bit. And then these are the planner pages. I picked the parenting layout, which is a really popular layout, and then I didn't get any extensions or anything. I just wanted, again, I just wanted the cover. I got these discs. I really love these. I don't really care for plastic discs, but I really love these. What are these, tortoise shell discs? They're so pretty. So I got another pack of these because I do use those. I think I have those on, do I have them on my work planner right now? I forget. I have them on a planner, but those are like the only plastic discs I like, because I like the design on them. And then this little thing is a little contraption to help you assemble the planner if you need to, but I usually don't use that. I assemble it. I feel like I can assemble it better without that thing, but it does, if you need a little help, it does give you a little explanation on how to assemble it. You put the little discs in and then you snap them on, but honestly I think that's a little too much, so we're not going to use that. But the box is cute, at least it's a cute box. Okay, so let's go over this stuff. So yeah, these are the discs. Let me open this so you can see a little bit better. But look how pretty this disc is. I can get it out. Okay, so yeah, it's just like a nice tortoise shell disc, really pretty. Again, I like the colorings on them, and they're all different because the pattern's different on them. Okay, and then let's go over the cover and the dividers. Cover is so pretty. All right, so this is another deluxe cover. It has the notes and plans on the side, just like how simple it is, and I like the color. It does have pockets in here, which is cool. And then here are the dividers, and they are themed to this planner. So if you pick depending on the cover you get, the dividers will match that cover. So this is a very neutral, as you can see, divider set. So we have July, then August. Oh, they actually have them on both sides. Okay. So wake up. Oh, it's foiled on one side. Well, at least on that one. It was foiled, and then black on that one. October. It's very, very basic ones here. December, and then here's January through June. January through June here. Just some nice quotes. Nice quotes. I mean, you could like frame those if you wanted like some nice quotes around your room. Totally frameable. And then the back is just blank. And then on the back, it just has like Happy Planner on it. So that's the cover and the dividers. And then next, once you put all this together, which I guess I could put it together in this video, just to show, I'll put together the cover like how I like to do put it together. Okay, here are the sheets that I got, which I don't use this layout, but I do plan on using it for content purposes. So I will use, and when I say content purposes, I mean like making videos here on YouTube. Also, I give some of my patrons on Patreon, I give them Happy Mail, and I always include a spread in their package. And sometimes I like to give them layouts maybe that they haven't used and decorate it for them, and then they can try out a new layout in their system if they'd like to. So yeah, that's what I plan on using these for. But this is a nice dated 2026. Is this 2026? Yeah, 2026. So we have January, very neutral. And then this is the layout for the parenting. It's a really cool layout if you haven't seen this before. This came out earlier this year and it sold out like really, really fast. People really loved this layout. And this is the only way that you can get it right now. It's only available in the customized planner yeah, in the customized planner options, you can pick this one as a layout. So if you've been wanting to get your hands on this one, it's really cool. So we have top 5 home chores, to buy, due dates, meal plans, and notes. Even though it's a parenting layout, I feel like they need to change the name of it. I feel like it's just a life planner, because you don't have to be a parent to use this. And then you have the weeklies here, and then a to-do section here, and then it flips to the same. It's just a really nice functional planner, which is good. All right, so all of these, it's just all the pages for the year. And it's not separated, so you have to separate it yourself, which is fun. But you get to put together the planner. And I guess I'll put the planner together. So I usually, when I put a planner together, I always put the covers first together. And then I snap them in at once. Usually it's a lot easier on the laminated covers, but you can totally do it on these. I probably wouldn't do this technique on those more premium covers like the one I showed earlier, but this one is, it's thick, but it's not, you can still do it easily. Okay, so I just snap in the discs here. I'll just set up 1 month of this planner. Here, last one. And then open it up, and then it's easy to put everything in. So I'll just put, what are we at? I'm gonna do January. I don't like, I guess, the only thing I don't like about this is that the tabs are like here for January, but I guess the reason, actually I don't know the reason why, because I ordered this in August, and then I have July. Maybe it's because when I ordered it, so July, it's a July start, maybe that's why. So we can use it for the rest of the year. But other than that, it's good. It's not a big deal. You could always use other dividers if you want to. All right, so I got dividers in, and then you got to find the pieces. So I'm gonna go to the monthly. Another cool thing about this one is the monthly is not attached to the dividers, which I know a lot of people always ask for that too in their regular planners. But at least in this planner, you have that look where it's not attached here. You have a January start, and it's attached to the actual paper, which I think a lot more people prefer that way than the way that they currently make them. Okay, and I'm waiting for them. Okay, so then this is the new February one. So this is all January pages here. And that's how you put together a planner. Super easy. All right. But I will continue with that later. Actually, this cover is not meant to go with this layout. I plan on using it for something else, but I do like the discs on it. I think that's a cool look. All right, so that is my custom planner, and now I'm just gonna flip through my sticker books. I have 2 of them. Let's go over this butterfly one first. The reason I got this one is because I really like making spreads with butterflies. So I probably won't use this book until next year because I plan on doing a lot of more holiday seasonal themed spreads, but this one's really, really pretty. And it's really pretty colors. Actually, I could do one like a fall, like floral with butterflies, because the color scheme, it's got those nice jewel tone colors, which I feel are kind of fall. So I think that's good. So you get some florals. I mainly got this for the butterflies. I like that there were a lot of butterflies in this book. Ooh, these are really pretty. We got the ovals, and then some functional stickers, some blue ones, some darker ones. Ooh, this green is really pretty. Some circle stickers, double boxes. Hello, take note, plan on it. Some circle stickers. Again, well, these look more like moths. I don't know. Look how pretty those are. Big ones. Okay, quotes, dream big, dream often, stay wild and free, keep going and growing, wild, beautiful, magic. Dream big, dream often. Oh, that's a pretty like pink color. That one's different. Okay, these are like washi stickers, and this is a pretty pattern, and then you get another one here. Okay, so that is Butterfly Botanics. Really pretty book. But like I said, I probably won't use it till next year, so we'll see. Maybe I'll use it soon, but we'll see. All right, so next up we have the Christmas sticker book. I'm so excited there's a Christmas book. This one looks so cute too. So we have the decorative boxes, 'tis the season to be jolly. The presents are cute, the ornaments, the bows. Okay, more decorative boxes. Presents and Christmas trees. Double boxes. I love the colors too. It's like traditional, but then you got that mix of the pink. But look how adorable these animals are. They're so cute. Okay, to-dos. I like these patterned boxes. Those are fun. Okay, more presents. These are cute. Scalloped boxes here. Okay, more functional boxes. Monthly boxes. More monthly boxes. And washi stickers. Yeah, these pattern ones are really, really cute. I like those a lot. We have some like garland. You can use that like washi in your spread. More of the cute animals. These are clear, super adorable. We have little header kind of presents today. Gift, merry, enjoy, rest. Some decorative stickers. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas. Some quotes, meet me under the mistletoe, put a bow on it. Winter vibes, let's play in the snow, spread cheer, and some bows. Ornaments, love some ornaments. Oh, there's 2 pages of ornaments, nice. Okay, so that is the Christmas sticker book. Those are the 2 sticker books I got. My planner, my custom planner, and then my premium cover planner. All right, so those were all the items that I picked up. I just wanted to share what I got from this release. That is everything. If you're interested in purchasing any of this, I believe the stuff is still available. Definitely check out my link. They don't have any sales right now, like discounts or anything, but stuff is available currently on their site. But that is going to be it. Thanks so much for watching as I unboxed my new Happy Planner order. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.